Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing about the common phrases used in the hospital or clinic part 3. If you missed the part 1, part 2, I am leaving the link at the end of this video. So I promised you guys to send this to publish this last Thursday or Friday, but something came up here in the house. Something was broken that I really need to attend to ASAP. So now it's already fixed. So because of that, I have to put everything on hold, all my editing and stuff. I have to put it on hold while I fix the things that needed to be fixed here in the house. But anyway, nevertheless, it's already out. So may this be useful to you. So if you're very new here, if you just came to my website, I am teaching Conversational Cebuano. And our website is www.cebuano101.com. And before we start, guys, I wanted to inform you that I will be taking a break for about 2 weeks. This is mainly because I wanted to update the Cebuano101.com for all the recent video lessons, because some of them are not there yet. So I wanted to focus on updating the website for the next 2 weeks, and after that I will come back for a new lesson. All right, so but in the meantime, you can always dig my video playlist. You can always go to cebuano101.com for other lessons, and maybe you want to review other lessons as well. Okay, let's proceed. Doctor's advice. Okay, we have here, kailangan ka i-bakuna o tetanus. You need to be vaccinated of tetanus. Okay, the regular pace of this sentence is, kailangan ka i-bakuna og tetanus, sir or ma'am. Okay, so let's break this down. Kailangan means needed or need. Ka is you. I-bakuna, that means to be vaccinated. And then we have og here. The og here, I discussed this so many times in my previous lessons. So you might want to check that out as well. Tetanus, the name of the vaccination. Next, we have kailangan ka mulikay ug mga mantikaon ug parat nga pagkaon. Kaon daghan utanon ug prutas. Okay, the regular pace of these sentences. Kailangan ka mulikay og mga mantikaon ug parat nga pagkaon, sir, ma'am, ha? So you must put the sir, ma'am, and then the ha to sound more polite, to sound more friendly. And then kaon daghan utanon og prutas. So that's the regular pace. So in English, that is, you need to stay away from oily and salty food. Eat more vegetables and fruits. Okay, now let's break this down. This is quite long. Kailangan again is need or needed. Ka is you. Mulikay is to stay away from. This is in future tense. Mulikay. Then ug mga means here it's plural, okay? Mga mantikaon. Mantikaon is oily. From the root word mantika. Mantika means oil. When you say mantikaon, that means oily. And then ug, it's and. Parat, salty. Nga pagkaon. Okay, pagkaon is food. Eat, kaon. More means daghan or many. Okay? More or many means daghan. Utanon, it's vegetables. From the root word utan, utan means vegetable. When you say utanon, that means more, it is in plural form, vegetables. And fruits. Ug, prutas is fruits. Okay, next, we have okay rani siya. Mawala rani, mawala rani sulod sa tulo ka adlaw. So the regular pace is okay ra ni siya, mawala ra ni sulod sa tulo ka adlaw. This is just okay. It will be gone within 3 days. Okay, let's break this down. Okay, we know what is okay. Ra is just. And then ni is this. Siya means actually siya could be a thing, a person, or depending on what is the subject of your conversation during your conversation. So just for example, you're talking about the wound or a dog bite, for example. The siya here is referred to the wound or the dog bite. Okay, so okay ra ni siya. This is just okay. Mawala, this is in future tense, will be gone. Okay. Sulod sa is within. Tulo ka adlaw. When you're talking about time, you must put this ka before the day, okay, or before the hour. Ka adlaw. I also have a lesson about this. You might want to check that out in my playlist. Okay. So the ra here again is also just, but it doesn't really mean you have to be in English. You have to put just in every time you put ra in Bisaya. Okay. Next, we have kung dili mawala sa tulo ka adlaw, balik lang dinhi. Kung dili mawala sa tulo ka adlaw, balik lang dinhi. Okay, English is, if this won't be gone in 3 days, just come back here. Kung is if. Dili is won't. Okay, another meaning for dili is no or not. Okay, mawala is be gone. Sa in English is like in, on, at, to. So that is sa. Tulo ka adlaw, 3 days. And then balik, come back. Lang here is also just. Okay, ra or lang is also just. Okay, you can also use balik ra dinhi or balik lang dinhi. Lang is more on the softer side, okay? And then dinhi is here. All right, next we have dia ang reseta. Here's the prescription. Dia ang reseta, ma'am or sir. Here's the prescription. Dia means here. Here it is. Ang is the. Resita is the prescription. Okay, next we have imna ning tambal katulo sa isa ka adlaw. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Imna ning tambal katulo sa isa ka adlaw. Okay, that's the regular pace. Imna means take. You have to drink it. Okay, imna. Ning is this. Tambal is medicine. Katulo means 3 times. Sa isa ka adlaw, in a day. Okay, in a day. So you guys, just in case you are curious how to construct Cebuano sentences, I also have a lesson on that, on how to construct Bisaya sentences in another video. You might want to check that out as well. All right, now next. Imna, again, is take. You must drink it. Ning means this. Tambal is medicine. Kada is a Spanish word. It means every. Walo, 8 hours. Walo means 8. And then kaoras is hours. Okay, the root word, the oras here is hours. Next, we have ayaw una pag-adto sa mga lugar nga daghan og tawo. Okay, don't go yet to crowded places. Okay, now let's break that down. Ayaw means don't. Una is yet. This is different from the una number 1. Okay, this one is una. So the accent at the end is drop. Okay, it's going down. Okay, in a drop tone. I don't know how to say that. It's going down. Una. And then pag-adto, from the root word adto means go. Pag-adto is a command word. Okay? Pag-adto. Sa is to. Mga lugar, meaning places. Nga daghan og tawo, crowded. Okay? Daghan og tawo, it means crowded, a lot of people. Okay, now let me say this sentence in the regular pace. Ayaw una pag-adto sa mga lugar nga daghan og tawo, sir ha or ma'am ha. So basically you have to avoid these places. All right. Next we have kada buntag ibulad ang bata sa init mga 15 minutos. Sugod alas 6 sa buntag. Okay, this is quite long. So, in English, we have every morning, expose the child in the sun for 15 minutes, starting at 6 a.m. in the morning. So, usually this is when your child is having or when the child is having a jaundice. Okay, so jaundice is when your child is yellowish. Okay, all right, so let me say this in a regular pace. Kada buntag ibulad ang bata sa init mga 15 minutos, sugod alas 6 sa buntag. Right, so let's break this down. We have kada again here. Kada is every, buntag, morning. Ibulad, expose. Ibulad, expose. And ang bata, ang here is the, bata is child, sa is in, and then init, it means the sun, okay? Mga, for about, okay? The mga here doesn't mean about, it doesn't mean in, it means that it's more than 1 minute, okay? Mga 15 minutes, 15 minutos. Minutos is minutes in English. All right, next, sugod, starting. Sugod, starting. Alas 6. Alas 6. 6. At 6. Sa in buntag is morning. Okay? There you go. Next we have ayaw una kaligo. Okay? Don't take a bath yet. Ayaw, okay, sorry about this. So ayaw means don't, and then una is yet, and then kaligo is take a bath. Right, something wrong with my slide. Anyway, let's proceed. Okay, we have here ayaw kaluta, or you can say kauta. Okay, ayaw kaluta or ayaw kauta ang samadha. Don't scratch the wound. Okay? Okay. Ayaw kaluta ang samadha, so don't scratch the wound. Ayaw means don't. Oy, what happened here? Something wrong with my kaluta is scratch, and then ang is the, and then samad is wound. Okay, samad is wound. Ha is like okay in English. Okay, the next one, ayaw una basaha. So ayaw una basaha, it means don't wet it yet. Okay, ayaw means don't, una is yet, and then basa from the word basa, it means wet. Okay, when you say basa, if you are going to wet a surface or or anything, okay. And then ha is okay, don't wet it yet. Ayaw una basaha, sir ha, ayaw basasa. All right, okay, go next. Doctor's findings. Daghan kaayo ka og luas. Daghan kaayo ka og luas. You have so many mouth sores or mouth ulcers. Okay, this is a common thing to happen every now and then in our lives. Okay, so daghan means daghan kaayo. Okay, when you say daghan, it's many. Daghan kaayo, so many. Okay, and then ka here is you, and then luas means mouth sores or ulcers. Okay, next. Taas kaayo imong BP, sir, ma'am. Taas kaayo mong BP, sir. Taas kaayo mong BP, ma'am. Your BP is very high, sir, ma'am. Okay? Taas means there's something wrong with this. Taas kaayo means very high, okay? Kaayo is very, not high, okay? High is taas. Something's wrong here. So, apologies about that. Okay. Alright. So, imong is your. So, again, guys, ha, taas means high. Kaayo is very. When you say taas kaayo, very high. And then we have here, we have here, imong is your. Next, we have, naay daghang nana. Okay? Na. Not nana. Na. Okay? Daghang nana. There's a lot of pus. Okay? How do you say this? Pus. So, naay daghang nana. Naay infection. Okay. Naay daghang nana. Naay infection. So, there's a lot of pus. There's an infection. Naay means there is, okay? Or has, or have. Daghan means a lot. Nana is pus. And then naa, again, there's infection. Alright. Okay, next. The last slide. Naay nakita nga bukol sa imong dughan. There's a tumor or lump found in your chest. So, naay nakita nga bukol sa imong dughan, ma'am. Naay nakita nga bukol sa imong dughan, sir. So, we have naa means there is or has or have. Nakita, found. Bukol, tumor or lump. Sa is in, and then imong is your. Dughan is your chest. Okay, I also have a lesson about body parts. Check that out as well. Wala man nidako ang tumor. The tumor or lump did not grow. Okay, wala man nidako ang tumor. Okay, wala means did not or nothing, nada. Nidako, grow. Ang is ang tumor is that tumor or lump. Okay, we're done with our common phrases used in hospital or clinic. Do let me know what are your thoughts about this lesson, guys. And again, I won't be around for the next 2 weeks because I need to update the Cebuano101 website. If you haven't been to my website, www.cebuano101.com, go over there. There are free learning materials. You can download audios. You can watch my other videos there. You can do some vocabulary lessons, and you can also test yourself. Okay? Yep. I want to thank you again, as always. I want to thank you for your time, for taking off, for giving me a few minutes of your time to be with me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're very new, don't forget to subscribe.